Pakistan Muslim League known candidate for MPA involved in electricity theft, LESCO. Lahore Electric Supply Company LESCO has found Malik Abid Hussain Bara, an MPA candidate of Pakistan Muslim League known involved in electricity theft during his ongoing anti-power theft campaign in Jati Umrah sub-division. According to LESCO spokesman here Wednesday, Jati Umrah SDO sub-division officer Muhammad Azam along with his staff conducted a search operation in the respective sub-division and found Malik Abid Hussain Bara, a PMLN candidate for MPA, stealing electricity from direct supply of LESCO for his house, spanning over 2 canal of area and 2 shops in adjoining commercial market. Soon after detecting pilferage, the LESCO inspection team disconnected the illegal power supply and charged 3,75,170 as a deduction bill to Abad Bara, beside the registration of an FIR against him in the area police station. Similar LESCO Anakari subdivision official deducted power pilferage by the management of Master Biryani located on Mall Road. The owner of Master Biryani was stealing electricity by installing bogus electricity meter, the spokesman mentioned. He added that LESCO seized the bogus meter and wires used in the power theft and received a deduction bill of 1 million from the accused. A case has also been registered against the accused in the relevant police station and further legal proceedings are underway. कैमरामैन मोहम्मद हसन बिसाइड, मलिक मोहम्मद इमरान, अब तक टाइम न्यूज़।